Imagine for a moment that you work hard every day but feel like your financial life isn't going anywhere. You make an effort, pay the bills, maybe save a little, but the long-dreamed-of financial freedom always seems distant. What if I told you there's a simple yet powerful secret that can completely change that reality? It's a little-known principle, whispered among the financially savvy, but ignored by most. It's not about complex investment strategies or extreme risks, but a shift in mindset and approach that can unlock a level of success you once thought was unattainable. This is the power of the 8-10 rule. The 8-10 rule, or what we call the little-known secret to building wealth, is a profoundly effective principle for transforming your financial trajectory. It operates on a deceptively simple premise: prioritize saving and investing 80% of your income, allocating only the remaining 20% for discretionary spending. I know that might sound drastic at first, especially if you're used to a different spending pattern. But think about it. Most of us were conditioned to spend first, and if there's anything left over, save later. The 8-10 rule completely inverts this paradigm. It puts saving and investing at the forefront of your financial planning, ensuring that your long-term well-being is your top priority. And make no mistake, this isn't about deprivation. The 20% allocated for discretionary spending still allows you to enjoy life, have entertainment, and even some luxuries. The key is to make intentional choices within that 20%, carefully selecting what truly brings value to your life, instead of making impulsive purchases driven by fleeting desires. This requires a conscious approach to consumption, where you actively evaluate each purchase in light of your larger financial goals. The real question you should be asking yourself is, does this purchase bring me lasting value, or is it just an emotional impulse? Now, imagine the transformative power of consistently channeling 80% of your income into wealth-building activities. The effect of compound interest, resulting from consistent savings and strategic investments, can exponentially increase your net worth over time. We're not talking about getting rich overnight, but rather a sustainable, long-term approach to financial prosperity, a path that leads to genuine financial independence. Every dollar you save and invest is a step toward your financial security and the realization of your dreams and aspirations. It's an investment in your future self. But the 8-10 rule isn't a magic formula. It demands discipline and commitment. It requires a shift in perspective, a conscious decision to prioritize your long-term financial well-being over immediate gratification. This involves a meticulous budget, precise tracking of your expenses, and a strategic allocation of resources to investments that align with your financial goals. The initial months can be challenging, requiring adjustments to your lifestyle and consumption habits. But as you begin to see the tangible results of your commitment, the growth of your savings and the steady increase in your investments, the process will become more manageable and even enjoyable. You will develop a sense of control over your finances, a confidence that comes from knowing you are actively shaping your financial future. This is far more empowering than the fleeting satisfaction of impulsive purchases. Consistency is the master key that transforms the 8-10 rule from a simple theory into a tangible financial reality. At first, it may seem like an immense challenge to cut expenses and reallocate the majority of your income, but think of your life as a garden you cultivate with care. Every seed of savings you plant today, every strategic investment you water with discipline, will blossom into a harvest of prosperity tomorrow. The secret is not in a single grand act, but in the daily repetition of small, conscious choices, like preparing your own lunch instead of eating out or seeking a low-cost leisure option, that solidify the habit and, over time, distance you from financial worry. The true power lies in a series of small acts that become a powerful and unshakable routine. The 8-10 rule gives you the power to take control of your financial destiny. It's about strategically allocating your resources to create a solid foundation for lasting financial security and prosperity, where money works for you, not the other way around. It's a blueprint for long-term financial success, building a secure future for you and your family. This sustainable, disciplined approach generates lasting results, helping you build a life of freedom and security, where money supports your dreams instead of dictating them. Financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Success requires patience, perseverance, and a deep understanding of investment principles. The 8-10 rule is a powerful starting point, a solid foundation upon which you can build the financial future you've always desired. By adopting the 8-10 rule, You not only change your spending habits but also redefine your relationship with money. Money ceases to be a source of stress and control and becomes a powerful tool in your hands, a means to achieve your life goals rather than an end in itself. This new mindset frees you from the relentless pursuit of instant gratification and guides you toward a greater purpose. You begin to value the security, tranquility, and freedom that your growing wealth can provide, surpassing the fleeting satisfaction of an impulsive purchase. Money becomes an ally, a silent partner working tirelessly to build the future you deserve. The true reward of the 8-10 rule goes beyond the numbers in your bank account. It manifests in the clarity of purpose you gain. With a solid financial plan, anxiety about the future disappears and gives way to a feeling of power and control. You know where you're going, and more importantly, you know that every step you take is a conscious choice toward a life of freedom. This security is priceless. It allows you to make important decisions without the fear of failure, to dedicate time to what truly matters, and to finally build a lasting legacy for yourself and your family. The 8-10 rule is not just about getting rich, it's about living a life with purpose and dignity, where your finances are the foundation, not the prison. Now, more than ever, you need to take the reins of your financial future. You have the power to shape your financial reality. Don't let external circumstances determine your destiny. Take control, plan strategically, and execute your plan with determination. The 8-10 rule is your map, your guide, your instrument for navigating the uncertain waters of the financial world and reaching a safe harbor of prosperity and tranquility. Do not underestimate the power of planning, the impact of commitment, and the strength of discipline. These are the pillars upon which a life of lasting wealth is built. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The first step is deciding to take control of your finances. The second step is applying the 8-10 rule. The third step is to continue learning, growing, and adapting to changes in the economic landscape. Wealth is not just a number in your bank account. It's the freedom to live life according to your values and ambitions. It's the peace of mind of knowing you're prepared for any financial challenge life presents. It's the security of providing a stable and prosperous future for yourself and your family. So, what are you waiting for? Start now. Subscribe to the Grow Financially channel to get access to more valuable content and effective strategies for building lasting wealth. Share in the comments what your biggest current financial obstacle is. What fear do you need to overcome to achieve your financial independence? Together, we can build a future of prosperity and security for all.